Tesla right here. If you draw this trend line on Tesla, you guys see
Yeah.
it? Look how perfect that trend line is.
Perfect, right?
That will, yeah, that'll help you big time to decide what Tesla wants to do. Can everybody see this on the big screen on mine? Look at that perfect trend line. That will help you huge to determine what direction that's going to go. Huge. Tesla only has a couple more minutes inside of that before it's going to make a massive decision, right?
Yep.
And if you know that ahead of time, which you all do now, because you should be staring at my screen, you can see what I'm talking about. As soon as this gets filled up in here, it's got nowhere else to go. It's either going to break this trend line to the upside or it's going to break down here through your support. But do you see how the time is small now? If this breaks the trend line in either direction, through it or down through support, hammer it, right?
Yes, but on the 1 minute, the 200 moving average is they're fixing to meet in a point right there.
Yeah.
Go
Well,
to your 1 minute and see what that looks like. I mean, I'm just saying, I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, look at this thing though, right? This thing is a time bomb waiting to go. That thing is ready to pop or drop.
Exactly. It's trending down, so.
Exactly. So the way I'd be scalping it is every time it touches this trend line, I buy puts or I short it. And then I have a tight stop loss every single time as soon as it touches this trend line, every single time, right? And then every time it touches 180.72, I'm buying calls or longs because it's touched it twice. You see it here?
Yes.
So, I mean, these are no brainers. These ones are real easy as long as you know what you're looking for. And now you all do right here. If this does not break this trend line, it's going straight back down into this channel. Okay.
So it's got to establish and stay, right?
There's your pop. Tesla pop trend line. There it is. Hammer it. Now you're going to use this trend line only for this candle to see if this is going to pop back down into here. But I told you this was getting ready to make a decision, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the move. And now look how tight this space is, by the way. This has got nowhere to go now. That has to create a big move. That's a good straddle position too, right? Because it had to go up or it had to go down from this exact range it's sitting in, right? But it bounced. I mean, if you think about it, it bounced off of 180.73 and it has not come back since then. It broke through this trend line and now you're to the upside. That's it. It doesn't get any better than that. Because a lot of times you don't have that much information to clue you in on what it's doing, right? That's like the perfect setup, by the way. There we go. Look at it breaking now. It's going to be a massive move if that breaks down through this trend line again.
It's eighth candle too.
Yeah, this thing's crazy. Crazy right here. See the long wick on the bottom? Still strong on the up to the upside though. See it? But look at this. So now you've got, look at down, down, down. This is a tough spot. It was great when it broke the trend to here. This is tougher.
Hammer.
Yeah, this is still undecided. Straddle. Let it figure out what it wants to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can have one up, you can have one down, and then when it makes a decision, cut the other one.